City life has its own charm. The tall buildings, the hustle and bustle, and people always trying to get ahead of everyone else. Yes, it's quite a rat race. And something similar is happening in the overcrowded compact SUV segment as well. Compact SUVs are available a dime a dozen and don't have anything new to offer either. But once in a while there comes along a game changer that not only bends the rules but sets a new standard for the rest to follow. Kia's new entrant into the compact SUV segment, the Sonet, is exactly that, a game changer. One look at the Kia Sonet and you really see what sets it apart from the rest of the compact SUV pack. That striking tiger nose grille, LED headlamps and muscular hood styling. The Sonet commands respect from the get-go. There's nothing that looks like the Sonet, and that styling isn't just for show. These muscular wheel arches hold massive 16-inch diamond-cut wheels that are ready to walk the talk. Form follows function in every aspect when it comes to the Sonet, and the tail lamps are a brilliant example of the same. The compact SUV gets first-in-segment heartbeat LED tail lamps, which not only look stylish, but make the Sonet easy to spot when visibility is poor. Now if you think the Kia Sonet is path-breaking on the outside, just wait till you see its game-changing interiors. With the first-in-segment ventilated seats, getting into the cabin on a hot summer day is never an issue. The ventilated seats not only help in keeping you cool, but also help in effortlessly dropping the ambient temperature in the cabin. The commanding position you get from the high seating up front is a given. The game changer is the plethora of technical information available to the driver immediately. The instrument cluster and the largest in segment infotainment are fused into one solid unit that keeps all the relevant information within the driver's field of vision. And when it comes to passenger comfort, don't for a second think that the back seats are an afterthought. Passengers in the rear get lots of space, and even 6-foot adults will be comfortable here for long hours, thanks to the great head, shoulder, and legroom on offer. And these large windows also give a great sense of airiness. Speaking of airiness, the cool bit is that the backbenchers not only get rear AC vents like other compact SUVs, but also get to see the cabin air quality, thanks to the integrated smart air purifier with virus protection. Given that the pollution and the pandemic is a big concern for car owners today, an air purifier with virus protection is more of a necessity than a luxury. What makes this gadget smart is that you can operate it via the Yuvo app on your smartphone even before entering the car. A mobile charger is another boon for backseat passengers, and you can charge your mobile without intruding into front passenger space. So all in all, you know that the Sonet is not just a driver's car, but also pampers the rear passengers too. The Kia Sonet further dictates its own terms in this segment-first future technology. The infotainment system is the largest in its segment with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, and there's a 4.2-inch information cluster as well. Just a hello Kia. Set navigation to Balewadi High Street, Barnair.
Here are directions to Bayawadi.
I could get used to this. Kia's Yuvo has over 57 smart connected features providing safety, security and convenience to customers. While driving, you can also access some features like 3D offline maps navigation, AI-based voice commands, and emergency assistance with 24/7 Yuvo contact center support. These features not only add to the overall user experience, but make the ownership experience more joyful and exciting. Let me explain. Suppose you wanted to call a friend and remind him that you're coming over. So, hello Kia,
How can I help you?
call Abhinav. Having an SUV and not doing adventure drives is kind of missing the point in my books. I'm the adventurous sort. So, having the Sonet at my disposal, I think it's time to get out of the city and set up camp in the hills. Sonet's 120 PS engine is a gem at delivering oodles of power at just a jab of the throttle. And the icing on the cake being this IMT, which is the best of both worlds. No matter how much dust you kick up on the outside, the cabin air stays clean on the inside. It's easy to get set in a mold that's convenient, and in the compact SUV segment, that's what's happening with most of the manufacturers. Kia, though, has the power to surprise, and the Sonet is a perfect example of what a Gamechanger should be. Now, though, it's time for me to go and enjoy these beautiful surroundings. So it's Alan DeCruz signing off. Bye.